Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can stop Notepad or text document from opening all the previously opened text document files. Well, when you install Windows 11, it has some default settings which you may want or not, and one of them is text document file settings, which means when you open a text file, it opens all the previously opened text files either in tabs or in separate windows. So to stop it opening all the previously opened text files, go to Settings and change this option to open in a new window. And then under When Notepad Starts, select this option. Then close this window and open the files again. And here you can see that it's opening the supposed file only instead of opening all the previously opened files. And this is how you can stop Notepad or text document from opening all the previously opened text files. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.